Hey everyone, welcome back to Nirni's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share this cinnamon cacao cookie recipe that is incredibly soft and literally melt in your mouth, making them our family favorite cookie. To get started, you'll need 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of powdered sugar, and 2/3 cups of oil. For the eggs, the recipe typically calls for 2, but as you can see, I have 1 absolutely massive egg today that should easily compensate for both. We will also add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 6 cups of flour, and 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder. When it comes to flavor, go ahead and add as much cinnamon as you'd like. If you want a bit of crunch, pecans are a great addition, though I personally think hazelnuts pair perfectly with this recipe. Once your dough is ready, roll them into round balls or any shape you prefer and bake them at 320 Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. The most important step happens right when they come out of the oven. Let them rest for just 1 minute and then coat them while they are still warm in a mixture of powdered sugar, cinnamon, and cacao. You seriously have to try these. We love them so much and I hope they become a favorite in your house too. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos from Nirni's Kitchen.